Received it on the 23rd of March. This is the register of the Supreme Court. Everybody has received it, yeah? And you can also see that they gave me a date of today, 26th of March, 9 o'clock. And the orders are taken that the CJ recruited himself, and the orders issued by the CJ against the CJ to have him suspended from all the offices he holds. Yeah, take it. And also that he President appointed tribunal against him to hear my complaints against him. He's facing contempt of court proceedings already, refusing of stuff, and he's been favoring that, like all my cases. And why would the CJ not want a case where I've said my name has been entered the register of criminals, I'm being threatened to be killed? My entire presidential secretariat was raided on the instructions from the former Commissioner of Police and the CPO, which I believe through Raila. And all my claims and court was taken away, and I've been entered my name in the register of criminals, so I could not buy this general election. Remember the presidential candidate in the last general election. So the CJ has been refusing. Every time the court is ready to proceed, he sends the judges away. He sent Justice Goya to Justice before to Goya. He sent two Justices Korir and Mungkingogi to abroad on the 21st of January to make sure they don't hear that case. So all I'm saying is, first for the general is first for the group. He should be showing non-partisan interest in any case before him. But he's been impatient to hear our last cases against him, and his, Uhuru's case is against Uhuru's integrity case. But Rana's integrity case and the CJ's integrity case is still standing before three judges who has refused to proceed. After the hearing, he comes and has a shelter. So I've been threatening him, he won hunger strike at his offices, so he constricted another one, but too late after the general election, so too late. So all I'm saying is, can this petition go on without the CJ, with the CJ still on that case? Or will it, as I said, it has already tarnished this branch? Very well, they gave me the date. You can see the date is here from the 26th of March. This is the stamp of the judiciary. This is the signature of the registrar. So I was properly in court, before court today, and this is the registrar's signature to be heard. Because I was saying a preliminary issue before anyone is heard. My question was the CJ needs to recuse himself to give independence to this defense, which he should have. But of course, he is misusing the court, and he's misusing the Supreme Court also now, unfortunately, as his personal belongings. And this court belongs to Andiko, who continue fighting for Andiko, even if they continue threatening, or they shoot me, if I die, you know, of course, hard for my sister and my common people. So that is what is happening. So I really need you to raise this question. He can no longer continue staying there if this question has been raised against him. I'm even wondering how I'm going to walk out of here today. You know, it's a dangerous thing. And this same court has ordered for my security. The orders are here. I'm supposed to be provided with security by the state. Look at this, the three judges. So the court has noted the petition for security. The court hereby directs the police to provide security to the petitioner. This was on 6th of November. It has not happened. This court also gave me orders for my food security and my family. It's not happening. This court, they gave a consent where they admitted to having attempted assassination and arresting me on stealing my own Range Rover vehicles, if you remember, when they had no complainants and no charge. So I've been under political persecution under Rana Odinga's influence, and I'm not lying because I have replied here. This is the Chief Justice's reply. Can you imagine the Chief Justice ignoring the whole Constitution and Article 159 and saying preliminary objection granted or obtained by the Chief Justice and the GST, that this matter not be heard, that on? And then I have a reply here from Raila Odinga himself, who is the sixth opponent, Prime Minister Raila Odinga, Republic of Kenya, who is being represented by the Attorney General of Kenya. That's an abuse of office when I'm trying to stop you from running that integrity question. It's a personal issue. Appoint a personal lawyer. But the Attorney General is presenting in there. That worries me a little bit. Okay, no problem. I am not blocking Raila being heard here. He has a right to be heard. He must be heard. But so should I. I must be heard also. Now, you cannot go writing the papers for Monday when Sunday's papers are still pending. So if this same court have documents before them, cases before them to be heard, and which is, now imagine if this case is heard, and the Chief Justice, the ruling is in Uhuru's favor. Yet Raila has matters before him, which will still show that the CJ maybe was frightened, and he has to recuse himself to give independence. And secondly, if it is in Raila's favor, Uhuru will use the fact that there are two cases still pending there against Raila. When are we not going to have justice? And I came there myself. I purposely did not appoint a lawyer. I've not been to law school. I'm an O-level student, as you all know. All I'm saying is let me represent on this and be heard. Well, Raila must be heard, but to give him freedom, whatever case comes out against Raila, for Raila's interest, will not be seen to have been used by the Uhuru team to show that he was CJ favouring. Because they'll use that. So I said, let me ask the CJ to recuse himself to give independence to this issue of election is closed once and for all.
So your point was the CJ to recuse himself?
Yes, and order if he doesn't, because now we complain to the GST. But so long 59 is supposed to complain about the CJ judges to GST. But he's the same and he's been holding people there. You understand? The government matrimonial case, till today it's not been heard from October 2010. No cases of mine are heard. He keeps it, and one of the judges was hearing his own private case against a woman who claimed that he married her under certain circumstances, CPM karaoke. And I petitioned against him. They would answer me, but they pointed him to the Court of Appeal. And while this case was going on, he suspended the bench, and for 15 days he kept it even at the bench. He suspended monitoring for another one. I said, let us argue this because the elections around the corner. You know what he did? During that 15 days, he's the one who went and swore into office director of criminal investigation. Saying what? What is he lying to the Kenyans on TV? That there's no active case against him seeking any audit. Why is he lying to Kenyans? So he's misusing his office.
So there's nothing personal in whatever you're raising.
I'm saying CJ Raja must be heard. CJ also has filed a response to those petitions. Let us hear what he has responded to. That even though only 4 was filed, be heard. Raja must be heard, but independently without being seen, CJ was filed. CJ has used Zula in the Nibanya Kaya while other people are listening to this case. Does he say, like, you know what happened to Deputy CJ when she came to this court? She withdrew her petition and said she does not think she will get justice because CJ refused to accuse himself. Yes, CJ has already given public opinions against her. So all I'm saying is that it's partisan. I'm not about to do that. So it was very important to me to raise it and let the world know what is happening. Obviously, the gunman on 3 occasions, on 2 of those occasions, he was with me. He's a minor. He's not been in school for the last 2.5, 3 years. My presidential secretariat was raided in broad daylight. 4 trucks of police picked and took everything away. My name has been entered in the register of criminals. Now, why am I being oppressed and persecuted in Kenya like this? Are you getting me? Why shouldn't the city want those cases heard? So I'm saying now the city has been closing those cases, not given every day. We sent the Gasua to Kirugoya. We sent us to the Korea and Justice Mungin out of the country on official duty just before 24th of January when the case was being heard. So if it had been heard, we would not be here. All I'm saying is those cases that have been heard, because I was saying the IBC be compelled to vet every candidate for public office, including me and you. Everybody. Not just Raila, everybody. Now he didn't want that case to be heard. Now in this one of the orders I'm speaking, in case this court decides to uphold Uhuru's presidential election, then Uhuru also be compelled to make sure every appointed office, person appointed to cabinet or any office, will be vetted also. Let's have a cleaner government. So whoever takes the day, I want a cleaner government. And I want this oppression against me to be extreme. Kila mtu ajieleze. Raila majibu yake kwa hapa, President majibu yake kwa hapa, CJ majibu yake kwa hapa. AG, DPP, Director of CID, wote majibu yake kwa hapa. Situwasikie wanasema nini mlikuwa shaki. Anyway, nashukuru ndugu zanguni na naomba sana wana runinga muende kwa wananchi mueleze zile shida ambazo wananchi wameona leo kotini. Paka walikuwa wameshakalisha mapolisi kunivuruga hapo nje. Hiyo si haki. Mwananchi kama hii kesi si katiba ni ya mwananchi. Kama hii katiba ni ya Wanjiko na kama hii katiba ni koti ni ya Wanjiko, leo ndio kaongesikiliwa. Hii petition application nimefile tarehe 23 Jumamosi iliyopita na imepokelewa na registrar mwenyewe. Hii ndio muhuri wa Supreme Court of Kenya. Hii ni signature wa registrar of the Supreme Court na wakanipa tarehe ya kusikiliwa leo. Na ilikuwa ni muhimu sana kusikiliwe leo ndio waamue tutaenda vipi.
Kwa kifupi, petition ni kuhusiana na
hii petition ilikuwa ni good. Zaidi ni kuhusiana ilikuwa ni kumtoa Chief Justice ajiuzulu kwa hii bench. Ndio petition zote ambayo Raila amefile na wengine wamefile iweze kusikiliwa bila maoni ya wananchi kwamba kulikuwa na ghasia huko, labda Chief Justice anampendelea Raila Odinga kwa mfano. Sasa na mimi nimeshaka kuna kesi nyingi nimefile against Raila na mimi baina sisi na nishajibisha, lakini sijataka hiyo kesi iendelee kusikiliwa. Kila siku kuja kusikiliwa anaitupilia mbali. Kila siku mimi kama ametumia koti kunidhulumu katika maneno makubwa pia ya impeachment. Ukikumbuka president alikaribisha Umar Bashir Kenya and the national security. So I'm seeking impeachment even against others, not just Prime Minister, President, President, ndio Vice President wajielekeze wati na sasa kama kuna case against the President, against the Chief Justice, na kuna bench ilijiuzulu kusikia maneno ile ukubwa wakaogopa kumbida duru na watame wakamorder Chief Justice mpya akakonstitute another bench. Kutoka 2010 mpaka leo wamekata. Nikafile kesi nyingine sasa for contempt against him na waliporedi nyumbangu nikaingiza kila mtandaoni. Sasa ndio amekalia hiyo kesi kusikiliwa. Sasa ninasema kama hiyo kesi ikitoa amri kwamba this general election was illegal. This general election must be not just affected everybody. What is happening to this ruling? So there's a conflict. Sasa nashukuru kwanza, naona haya sana kwamba wale wanaume ambao pale juu walipoita polisi kunisumbua, ni aibu katika kila mama na kuna kizazi ambayo ni wazaa wangeheshimu kwamba ni Wanjiku anazungumza, si wakili. Na Wanjiku ana haki kwa sababu wao ndio wamerejista internet, wamechukua picha yangu, wamechukua picha yangu, wamehifadhi, wangekuwa. Lakini ni kusudi, naona wazi kwamba walikuwa tayari, polisi ndio walikuwa ndani ya koti kwa kitu hiyo mama tu ndio. Kwanza walinifunga nisingie hapa. Sasa kwa nini nitaingia na nguvu kwa sababu niko na faidi za kusikia na ni contact kila mtu. Hii ni wakili wa Uhuru Kenyatta. Ni wakili advocate Orago ndio huyu wakili wa Raila Odinga, wakili wa Isaac Hassan wa IBC, wote wamepokea. Katwa Kemboi ndio huyu wa Kiruto, wote walipokea. Sasa ningekuaje mimi nisitokezee na kesi ikiitwa waseme huyu hakuwa na interest kwa anachokuwa. So I have to be here. Sasa ukweli ndio hiyo. Hata kwanza kwa mfano, sasa hii ruling ikitoka in Uhuru's interest, anasema ilikuwa ni makosa. Ikitoka in Allah's interest, kwa Uhuru anasema sijali kama nzuri. Mwenye anatakuwa kwa court, and I think it's not deserved and it's not fit to be in that position. Asante sana. Yes, please, yes. 0738, and you can see that people running because my life are threatened. My children are threatened, they've been facing gunmen, and I don't even know how long out of here, 0738, 88, 1111. Yeah, please, thank you so much. And yourself? Oh, yes. Thank you so much. I think I've been emailing all of you. Have you received my emails on this harassment? All right, great. Thank you so much. How about you? Yes. Oh, my dear, how are you? Yes. Oh.
I want to keep it straight.
Oh, thank you so much.
So you don't know, you are not even about to wear
No, it is.
Yeah.
It is yours? Yeah. Pole ni haraka nimetolewa na kuogopa. Hata nini mlitaka kufanya nini mama leo? Hebu niambieni. Sasa wewe ukae chini vile unaambiwa na lakini mlifanya nini? Yeye wanaitwa mwanangu tu kutoa nje kipande ndio mimi najua. Lakini lazima unajua alora Yes, madam. So tomorrow I'm coming to see you. All right. I know your boss is with all of us. Yeah, I you know why I had to be there to the court. I knew it was live, no one can do it. Now you can run with it. And I didn't hit Rala or Uhuru. My issue is the teacher. Thank you. Oh my God. 38, 1111. My phone is way the smaller.
I don't know.
Now when I gave you the camera, what did you think I was giving it to you for to do what? Tell me to start shooting.
It's still actually recording.
Huh?
It's still recording.
Oh good. Oh God.
No, come down.
No, but you've done it.
Doesn't just come down.
There's still more you can do.
Yes, not for this one.
Now you can create a noise for the person watching you.
Yeah.
Record, don't make noise.
No, I'm not coming back today. I'm not coming back today.
Right, let's go.